guys, welcome back and welcome. This is Freon. So today is another episode of unboxing perfume. So without further ado, let's Hashimochi. Okay, so this you can see already. It's the perfume. This one is from Versace. I don't know how you pronounce it. Versace, I think. And then this one's called Bright Crystal. So let's open this up and see how it goes. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, that crystal looking. Okay, let me get rid of the box for now. Look at this big crystal over here. This is shining. This is nice. Okay, let's open this up. Ooh. Remember that last time I had Dior perfume? I was struggling to open it. But yeah, this one's easy to open. Wow. Ooh. 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 See, I only buy perfume if they're like, I only buy them if they're like fresh or floral scent. I don't really like any of the warm scents, so I don't really buy them. But yeah, this one is nice. So let's spray it on. It smells good though. Sorry about the mess, but anyway. Oh, it smells really nice. Hold on. I know people spray perfume on the warmest part of your body, which is pretty much your palm and your neckline. Oh. But I spray it on everywhere literally. I think I would spray it like around here and then probably around my waistline or like armpit area. I don't know why. And then I would spray around this area and then this area. Other than that, I would spray around my feet and my leg. That's it. Yeah, this is really nice. It smells really, really gorgeous. Well, this is a very quick video, but that's it for today. And thank you so much for watching.